students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our today's question is, state whether the function f such that r gives r defined by f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x is 1, 1 on 2, or if any function is 1, 1 and on 2, it is known as a bijective function. Justify your answer. So let's see. So first we are supposed to prove whether this function is 1, 1 or not. So 1, 1 function. What is 1, 1 function? If we have a domain and range, so for every value x1 there will be a f of x1. For every value in our domain there exists a f of x1 in our range, and this value will be unique. No other value in domain will give us, no other value in the domain will give us the same value f of x1. Okay, so if any other value is giving us f of x1, that means x1 is equals to x2. If they are same, then only they can give a f of x1, right? So x1 should be equals to x2. So let's try to prove this for two values. So this function f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x. So for any value x1, f of x1 will be equals to 3 minus 4x1, and for any value x2 it will be 3 minus 4x2, correct? So x1 is giving 3 minus 4x2 4x1, and x2 giving 3 minus 4x2. Now I am telling that both of them are giving us the same value in our range, means these two things are same. That means 3 minus 4x1 is equals to 3 minus 4x2. And if they are giving us the same value, means x1 and x2 should be equals to should be equal, right? So let's prove if x1 equals to x2, then this function will be 1, 1 function. So let's see if x1 is equals to x2 or not. So 3 and 3 will cancel out, means minus 4x1 is equals to minus 4x2, minus 4 and minus 4 will cancel out, x1 is equals to x2. So yes, this function is a 1, 1 function. F of x is 1, 1. Now we are supposed to check whether the function is onto or not. A function is an onto function when for every value, if we have y1, y2, y3, for all values in range, there will be a existing value in our domain. X0 can be possible. So for all value in our range, there will be a value existing in our domain. Means if we are getting some value y in our range for some value x, correct, then that x should be there in our domain. So we know that function f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x, and let's suppose there is a y belongs to r. Our range given in the question is the function defined on r to r, correct? So f of x defined on r to r. So this is our range and this is our domain. So y, there is some y in our range, there will be an existing value in our domain which is x. So if this is y, means y is equals to 3 minus 4x, or x is equals to 4x is equals to 3 minus y, and x is equals to 3 minus y by 4. So this is the value of x that will be existing in our domain and satisfying this equation. This x will satisfy this equation. Now let's check if this is satisfying our function or not. So f of 3 minus y by 4, instead of x, what I am writing? Instead of x I am writing 3 minus y by 4, and this should be equals to y. So let's prove it. 3 minus 4 times 3 minus y by 4. So if you will see here, 4 and 4 will cancel out. This is equals to 3 minus 3, minus minus will become plus y, and 3 will cancel out. This is equals to y. So f of 3 minus y by 4, giving us the value y, means function is, means f of x is onto function, and if any function is both 1 1 and onto, it is bijective function, correct? Or other way to see it, we can draw the graph of the function to understand f of x is equals to 3 minus 4x. So y is equals to 3 minus 4x. We can make the graph of this function. This is nothing but a straight line. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. 1, 2, 3. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 3. 0, 3. And when y is equals to 0, x is equals to 3 by 4. So this is 1. So 3 by 4 will be somewhere here. So this will be our line equation. Now to check the function is 1 1, what we will do, we will make a horizontal line. We will make a horizontal line, and if that horizontal line is intersecting at only one point, then the function is 1 1 function. If it is intersecting at more than one point, for example, if we will take this graph and we will make a horizontal line, see it is intersecting at more than 1 point, means this function is not a 1 1 function. But if it is intersecting at only 1 point, then it is a 1 1 function. And to check onto function, see it is r gives r. So for all values of y, you will find there is the value of x. For all values of y, you will find the value of x, means it is a onto function. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.